Wait, have you ever had spicy beef like this? That egg, that cheese pool, that sauce. This changes everything. And the best part is, it only takes 10 minutes. First, let's make the steamed egg. This is so the dish. Here's the key. There is one rule you cannot break. Water to egg, 1.2 to 1. Measure it, half warm, half cool together. The warm water helps it evenly. The cool water keeps it from rushing. Whisk gently. You are not making bubbles. You are making silk. Now strain. Look at what's left behind. Acorns, bubbles. That's what ruins the texture. Out. Cover. A few holes for the steam. Into the steamer. 10 minutes, no more, no less. While steaming, I will make the sauce. This is spicy beef cube which I made last week. Let's take 3. If you want to know how to make it, please refer to the link. Now we just need a potato. Already peeled. Nice and small. This size. They cook fast. They soak up every jar. 3 cubes, freezer to hot pan. Listen. As they melt, that sauce wakes up. Smells like all day. It's been 2 minutes. Potato in. Toast it. Every piece gets coated in that red oil. Just enough water to cover. Bring it up. Down. Cover. 10 minutes. Potato is coming. Look at that. Tender, glossy. When is that? Stop. Okay, egg is ready. Open it up. Look at that. No bubbles, no cracks, no pores, just silk. That wobble. If you've struggled with steamed eggs, drop a raise below. I got you. Cheese, mozzarella, it stretches. Generous layer. Now we layer everything. The beef, right on top. Spicy beef, silky egg, stretchy cheese. This is so of the dish. When cheese does that, 3 layers, 1 bite. Okay, the egg, so tender, it barely holds together. The beef, spicy, deep, that's the dumpling kick. The cheese, it pulls, it carries everything. And the potato, it soaked up all of that sauce.